Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can copy and paste crosshair codes in Valorant. So first you can search this up first. I said first twice, but you're going to just search up crosshair codes, and you're just going to select the one that you want to copy. Right click and then select copy, go back to Valorant and go to settings again, and you're going to select import profile code and you're going to paste it here. Then you're going to press import and then press OK. Then you can also edit the profile name here. I think sorry. And then that's it. You can also select your crosshair code and export that as well, and then paste it in another Valorant profile if you'd like to. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!